Welcome to today's news. Kerala Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation has invited application for the post of Junior Manager Technical Civil to fill up 2 vacancies. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https://kpesrb.kerala.gov.in. Scale of pay 22,360 to 37,940. Qualification: degree in civil engineering. Age limit maximum 35 years as on the date of notification. The registration process begins on October 29, 2024. The last day to apply is November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of Kerala Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.